Hi, it's Scott Curcio with Baird and Warner Real Estate, and today I'm giving you an inside look inside our home for sale at 111 East Chestnut, Unit 21A. Nearly 1,600 square feet, 2 beds, 2 baths, and with north, east, and west views. You're going to see a lot of that coming soon in our video. We're starting off in the kitchen here, as you can see, real nice and bright and open. I'm going to back out and see, and look at this view. So as I mentioned, you've got unobstructed north, east, and west views, which is really unique. Your dining area here. I wish I could show you guys the view at night right now because it's real romantic with all the twinkle of the city lights. We're gonna take a peek here. You got lake there, here down. You see the church there. And there's a lot around here where your views are gonna be protected. I'm gonna spin back around here because you've got some historical landmarks. So this is your large living dining space. These folks have created 2 separate spaces, but you could certainly make it a little more open if that's your taste. And then I'm going to spin around. This is your east view. And my favorite, I love the Hancock Tower. I think it's just one of the best buildings in the city. So you have views of that. And of course, holiday time, you can watch the Holiday Lights Parade right from the comfort of your home. So right off the mag mile here, I'm going to back out and come back and pan around just a little bit so you can see the space. Again, large dining room here off the kitchen. And then walking ahead, you guys can take, it's a real large living room. And again, that nice wall of windows, one of your 3 views. Now we're back in the kitchen. For a reason, I want you to see, you've got so much light in this unit. And this is, again, north view out of your home. You can look up to see the skyline at night. It's really cool because you have so much sky. So this is one of 2 entries towards your master suite. This could be closed off by the door there for a little privacy. You've got your laundry here in this closet here. And I'm going to take you right into the master suite here. So to our left, there's your second entry, plus your walk-in closet and your linen closet. And I'm backing down here so you can see, look, again, light, and beautiful north-facing views. See the shops at 900. You still have lake view here. We're going to pop into the master bath very quickly, and you will, of course, see me in the reflection. You'll easily fit king-size bed, as we have here in the space. We're shooting this in the afternoon, so you can see, you're starting to see the sun set, starting really just beautiful light. And we'll take a look out these windows here. Again, that's protected, so no one's going to build on that. I can almost not even put the camera here because you're getting so much light, it's making the shot dark. So I'm going to pan back around, and that's our master suite. So from the master bedroom, now we're to the guest wing. One thing I want to show you guys that I love, look at this huge walk-in closet. There is so much storage in this house. There's even some behind this door, but magic of television, I can't necessarily open that one for you. And then looking back to our hallway, you have a hall closet as well for coats and shoes. And here we are. This is our second bath, our second full bath, our guest bath. Nice deep walk-in shower. I'm going to back out from that. And now it's the afternoon. Look at the wonderful light. Again, 3 unique views in this unit. And you notice this is a really large bed, and there's still a lot of floor space in here. And I'm going to take you right out so you can see this beautiful western facing view. Beautiful sunsets here. And again, you get so many great pieces of light. The other side of the house, you can also see the air and water show in the summer. We'll just pan up here. Give you a little bit more sense. I'm going to back out, spin around somewhat slowly so we don't get dizzy. And then that leads out to the foyer. So thanks for taking a tour through 111 East Chestnut, number 21A. And over my shoulder here, I know I'm breaking a cardinal video rule by shooting into the window, but I think the view's worth it. You can see Michigan Avenue right down there. And also keep in mind, you also will see air and water show during the summer from this apartment. So really awesome location right in the heart of everything. And you can go online to get a little bit more information from us. Follow the link down in this post. And we'll hope you will come take a tour of 111 East Chestnut, Unit 21A.